To answer this question, we need to create a stem and leaf plot from this set of data. So we've got a number of working boxes down here to help us create that stem and leaf plot, and the first thing we want to do is fill in the stem of our stem and leaf plot. So to do that, we need to have a look at the range of numbers that we've got. We've got numbers that come from the ones, we've got numbers that come from the tens, and numbers that come from the 20s. So that means we're going to need a 0 in our first stem box, a 1 in our second stem box, and a 2 in our third stem box. So now we need to fill in the table. This first row is for all the numbers that come from the ones section. So if we have a look, we can see there are 4 of them. 4, 4, 8, and 9. The digit in our stem becomes the first digit of our number. So the reason this is 0 is because if we have a number 0, 4, it's actually the same as 4. That 0 has no effect. So therefore, we need to put our ones numbers in these 4 boxes in order from smallest to biggest. So that's going to be 4, 4, 8, and then 9. So let's do that. 4, 4, 8, and 9. So that completes the ones row. Now we need to move on to the tens row. And this is where you'll start to see how the stem and leaf table works. The 1 in our stem becomes the 1 value from all of our tens values. What I mean by that is that if you have 15, the 1 comes from your stem, so you only need to put a 5 into the leaf box. Let's have a look at our tens numbers. We've got 11, 15, and 17. So we need to put those into the row in order from smallest to biggest. So the first one will be 11. But rather than putting in 11, I just need to put a 1 into this leaf box because it gets the 10 from the stem column. So that's 11. The next number would be 15, so that's 1, 5, 10 from the stem column, and then 5 from the leaf makes 15, and our final tens number will be 17. So now we've entered most of our numbers. We've got 4, 4, 8, 9, we've got 11, we've got 15, and we've got 17. So now it's just the 20s to go. Our 20s are 24 and 25, so we need to put them into the last 2 answer boxes from smallest to biggest. So we'll put the 4 first and then the 5 to complete the question.